तिलक पब्लिक स्कूल नेरुल ने मनाया एनुअल डे इवेंट। नेरुल के तिलक पब्लिक स्कूल ने बड़े उत्साह के साथ अपना एनुअल डे कार्यक्रम मनाया। इस कार्यक्रम में स्कूल के बच्चे ने नृत्य और संगीत के कार्यक्रम पेश कर अपनी कला का प्रदर्शन किया। इस साल के कार्यक्रम की थीम सोच रखी गई, जिसका अर्थ सपने देखना, उन्हें पूरा करना और लोगों को प्रेरित करना था। इस अवसर पर स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल रूबी वर्गीस ने कहा कि हमारा स्कूल सालों से बच्चों का भविष्य बेहतर करने का काम कर रहा है। हमारे यहाँ से होनहार बच्चे पढ़कर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और हम आगे भी अपने बच्चों के बेहतरीन के लिए हर संभव प्रयास करते रहेंगे। इस अवसर पर तिलक कॉलेज ऑफ ग्रुप के डायरेक्टर अजित कुरूप ने कहा कि हम बच्चों के समग्र विकास पर जोर देते हैं और हमारे स्कूल ने समग्र विकास के चलते कई अवार्ड्स जीते हैं। इस कार्यक्रम की मुख्य अतिथि मेनका नेथानी थी, जो बच्चों को आह्वान किया कि वे अपने भविष्य का विचार करें और अपने परिजनों की सलाह हमेशा मानें। वहीं उपस्थित बच्चों को पुरस्कार देकर सम्मानित किया।
Ceremony at the rate Soch, dreaming, achieving and inspiring. We make trends of the world to follow. As I stand before you, my heart fills with pride and I consider fortunate that I am here on this 40th year of Tilak Education Society. We are celebrating the 40th years of legacy for providing, transforming and shaping the life of many students to excellence from kindergarten to post-graduation. And I cannot forget to mention the engine behind this success story, who is none other than Shri J.N. Kurup sir, our Honorable Founder Chairman. His vision and passion is the true driven force behind Tilak Education Society's success journey. Today's program makes an advent of our superstars of our school. They belong from nursery to class 12. This year, the theme holds it as Soch, which has a profound meaning. Soch is more than just thinking. It is the power that can shape our actions, define our character, and ultimately influences our future. ये परिभाषा करता है आपकी विचारों और एक नई दिशा और ऊर्जा प्रदान करने की। In today's world, when we change is the constant and it is imperative to cultivate the right soch, a mindset of curiosity, resilience, empathy and innovation. At Tilak Public School, we are dedicated in nurturing growth-oriented soch in our students. A special thanks to all parents who have constantly supported us in all our endeavors. You are the first teacher of your child. My gratitude to all. Today, your ward will create magic on the stage. Let's celebrate the magic of innocence, magic of talent, skill and creativity. So audience, sit back, relax and enjoy at the rate Soch, dreaming, achieving and inspiring. Thank you.
AGM, Times of India, our other invited guests, principals, heads of Tilak Group of schools and colleges, our teaching, non-teaching staff, members of the media, dear parents and my lovely students. On behalf of management of Tilak Education Society, let me once again warmly thank each and every one of you for your presence and participation in this function. Firstly, I would like to congratulate Tilak Public School, the principal, the teachers, all the staff, the parents and the students for taking a legacy forward, that is our concept of holistic education and being the school which is awarded as the best CBSE school for holistic development of students. And I think it's a wonderful achievement. Congratulations. and I hope we go ahead in the same way.
So it's a wonderful event, very well organized, and the theme is just so unique. आज की तारीख में सोच एक ऐसी चीज है जो हम सबको as parents we need to think. हमें सोचना चाहिए about our children, about the future, about the way everything is going. So I think it's fantastic. I'm very, very thankful and honored to be here. I didn't know that the event is going to be so different. I really enjoyed myself. The performances, everything was just wonderful.
How much you are impressed with the
Students are extremely talented. I mean, there are awards for 100% attendance. I don't think मैं कभी जीत पाती हूँ, but wonderful. There are so many achievements which the students have done. Plus इतने छोटे-छोटे बच्चे performing so well. So I mean, everything was so well organized. That is the best part about it. It just went as per the schedule. Everything went as per the schedule. Nothing out of place. Very good. So my message to students is that listen to your parents, read more, and think about your future. Because nowadays children are living only in the present. You have to think about your future जैसे हम सोचते थे.
what's the name and
Monica Naithani. I'm Monica Naithani.
Public school has been following the CBSE curriculum, and we believe in the philosophy of holistic development, and the school has won various awards at different forums for the concept of holistic development. One very important thing which we inculcate in the students is the value education, and today's theme Soch is based on this important concept of value education, where we believe that the child along with the academics also needs to learn a certain set of values. This could be respect for the elders, environment. The overall development of the child is based on this kind of value system. Today, almost 600 plus students are participating on stage based on this concept, which I believe is very important for each and every child. I would really like to congratulate Mrs. Ruby Verghese, the principal, and the entire team for putting us such a fabulous show. I also would like to thank Awaaz, because you all have been covering all our programs and you've been motivating and encouraging our students. Thank you so much.
पुरुषोत्तम कनौजी के साथ पंकज वीरवंशी की रिपोर्ट, आवाज टुडे, नवी मुंबई।